Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to disable Windows security notifications in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Privacy and Security from the left side list. Go to Windows Security. Click on Open Windows Security. A new window will open. Click on Settings at the bottom left corner of the window. Look for Notifications Block. Click on Manage Notifications. Look for Firewall and Network Protection Notifications option. Turn the switch off to disable it. Click on Yes in the pop-up window. Repeat for Get Informational Notifications option and Account Protection Notifications. If you want to enable notifications, turn the switch on for these options. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!